What's up? It's back to your favorite middle of the pack racer. Today we are gonna start on chop cut rebuild on the old Protruck. There's La Resistance. What's up, dude?
Scary.
So we gotta end up get going on this front bumper. We actually have to rip off the old Protruck bumper. Got a new bumper cover. You know, after we get that tore apart, we will, I guess, see exactly how bad everything is. So. Yeah. Yes, sir. Do work, huh? Hey. Boom. Ready? Yeah. Yeah. Got the bumper off. Out with the old. Bye, Jeff. Hey, in the barn. In with the new baby. Oh my yeah. Anyway, guys, we're gonna have to for sure get a new bumper made for this. And again, T-bar, it's destroyed. I mean, we're just gonna have to replace it, just like how we did the Pro stock, you know, with some aluminum and clamp onto where it's replaceable. Cause see, now once again, we're gonna have to cut this off and do a bunch of grinding, which this way we don't have to. Wow! Wow! Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. 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 I don't do it, YouTube does. I follow YouTube guidelines. Wanna why? What? YouTube guidelines are the shizness. I don't.
Fuck, shit, bitch. YouTube.
What the fuck is up? What the fuck is up? How bad is she off?
Oh, you can fix that.
Oh, it's up
Do I gotta undrill these? Yes or no?
30 inches.
Yeah. So I need to undrill those?
No,
yes or
I
no?
don't think so.
Maybe that first one.
Maybe that one.
You said it was good.
You just gonna take my word for it?
I wouldn't fucking believe me.
Let me see. Fuck, it's off the other way now.
Fucking kidding me?
That freely.
I mean, it's better than it was before.
That new bumper sure does look pretty sharp on there. Then we obviously got new fender tops. Started forming this one, getting that one to fit down in there. you know, not too bad. Still got to replace the T-bar, but still wanted to set the nose up there and enjoy it for a second. All right, so we got our mounts all cleaned up on both sides. So now I'll actually hit her with a coat of paint, get the clamps ready. We're probably, obviously, like I said, we're gonna end up taking off the bumpers so we can end up getting a new bumper made and, you know, keep picking away at it. Alright guys, I just want to stop here for a second to see what all we got done. Ended up taking out the shaker. We're gonna maybe do a little razzle dazzle to that before it goes back on. But we ended up getting all this scuffed up after we got the brackets all cut out. So wanted to paint it, see exactly what it was gonna look like, and I mean it sure is looking good. For sure gotta finish cleaning up down there.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, we got the whole front end repainted. For the most part, we should be ready to start redoing our whole T-bar. Then we'll actually get a new front bumper built. But got a whole bunch of steel, aluminum, got some more steel there. So, I mean, for the most part, we should be all set. Alright, so we got the clamps on both sides. Was gonna get going on getting our T-bar all cut and put on, but it's holiday season. So guys, I wanted to get this posted, you know, so everybody can go enjoy their Christmas, and, you know, the guys that are watching the videos can kind of see what we got going on. Obviously, it's not a whole lot. Kind of messed up my thumb, so now that my thumb's messed up, everything's going a little bit slower. And currently, I'm out of heat. If I'm out of heat, I'm cold. If I'm cold, I don't want to work. So, now that I'm gonna have to get more heat and get that all squared away, taken care of, we're gonna call it right here. Again, thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you on the next one where we're gonna keep picking away.